Selby offers more than just your ordinary wall bed hardware. This kit is supplied with a mechanism that provides the up and down movement pre-attached to a metal bed frame. The most striking feature of this particular kit is the hardware that allows you to create an automatic footboard. As the bed is lowered, the footboard moves into place with no additional effort. When the bed is raised, it moves quietly and seamlessly back into its original position. Contact your local Selby distributor for more information and to find out how you can purchase this amazing hardware kit.